Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of ergonomic furniture with a spotlight on one of the best raising desks for your home office, the ErGear Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk. If you're looking to enhance your work from home experience, this desk might just be the perfect addition to your setup. The ErGear desk measures 48 by 24 inches, making it an ideal size for various workspaces. Its modern design seamlessly blends with any decor while offering functionality that prioritizes your comfort and productivity. The desk's solid alloy steel frame provides outstanding stability, even at full height, which has been rigorously tested for safety and durability. What truly sets this desk apart is its powerful electric height adjustment feature. With a range from 28.35 inches to an impressive 46.46 inches, you can effortlessly switch between sitting and standing positions. Plus, it allows you to save 3 of your favorite height settings, making transitions incredibly smooth and personalized to your needs. The user-friendly control panel is easy to navigate, ensuring you can adjust your workspace without any hassle. This desk is designed for those long hours of work, helping reduce the strain that often comes from sitting for extended periods. The ErGear desk is more than just a piece of furniture, it's an investment in your health. By incorporating standing into your work routine, you can improve your posture, increase energy levels, and boost overall productivity. And with its low VOC materials, this desk meets US federal and state safety standards for air quality, allowing you to breathe easier in your workspace. Now, let's talk about assembly. The desk comes with a simplified assembly process that requires fewer steps and less lifting, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of their DIY skills. The instruction manual is straightforward, guiding you through each step. Whether you're working from home, attending virtual meetings, or simply catching up on emails. The ErGear Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk provides a versatile platform that caters to all your needs. Its sleek design and robust features truly make it a standout choice for any home office. So if you're considering upgrading your workspace, the ErGear Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk is definitely worth checking out. It's not just about having a desk, it's about creating an environment that enhances your productivity and well-being. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Until next time, stay productive.